Now that we have a functional working blog, we need to learn how to create our first post. So we're going to come up here to the top left-hand corner, hover over the word Wix, and then click Go to Dashboard. That takes us here to this dashboard menu that has a dark gray vertical menu on this left-hand side. And the way that we're going to create our posts is to hover over the word blog and then click on the word posts. So to create a new post, you're going to click this button right here. I'm going to X out of these helpful AI tools because I want you guys to start with your own original work. We might learn about AI eventually, but right now we need you to create original work. Add a catchy title. First blog post. This is how you write a new blog post. There are formatting tools and you can add pictures. To add a picture, you can click this button right here, click Image, and that brings up this dialog box. This will allow you to upload your own pictures that you have found or that you have taken. Or you can explore the images that are available to you on Wix. I'm going to search for Western civilization and see if we can find a picture that will just talk about the general notion of Western civilization. Once you select that, click Add to Page. And then you can use these little balls right there to adjust the size of your picture. Once that's finished, you can click down below and keep typing your post. Once you're finished creating this blog post, you click the word Publish. Now it immediately gives you the link, and that is the link you will click and copy link to go and paste that into your assignment. Now there are a few other things we can do in terms of categories for our blogs. So we're going to want to do that since we have multiple classes. We're going to want multiple categories. So I'm going to click these three dots right here, and that won't do it. Let's go over here and click on categories. Now I want to create a new category. We're going to call this one Western Civ 2. So you're going to create category names based on the classes that you have that year, and you will add to these as you go through school. You don't need a description right now or a category image, although you are welcome to add those as you get better at working inside your blog. Click Save. Come back to your posts. Select the blog that you want to add to a category, and then click Add to Category, and you'll be able to select the class that this blog is for. Then click Apply. And that's it. You've created your first blog post and you've added it to the correct category.